What's up, guys? Welcome to another amazing session. Of course, this is Rolling in Journey with Rolling. So, guys, today I'm going to be sharing with you some tips on earning up to $400 a day. Listen to just music. You listen to songs and you earn $400. You earn up to $4.8 per song. If you're interested to learn this, let me see you smash the like button and subscribe to this channel so that you always be informed. Do not forget to hit the notification bell so that whenever we drop a new content, you'll be notified. So without wasting much time, guys, let's jump right in.
Listening to one song, you can earn $4.50. Listening to 10 songs, you can earn $45. As you can see, people from different countries around the world withdrawing money every single minute from this new website. And you can do this even with a brand new account using your laptop or your smartphone. So, I want you to come over to this website called mixkit.co. This is a website which we will be using for listening to music and to make money online. In just a moment, I will show you how you can listen to music tracks just like these ones right here and how you can start making money online. As you can see here, I have earned over $300 in my account on this site, and you can earn $50, $90, and even more than $100 per day.
So guys, if you are feeling wild with what you are watching so far, with what you are getting, with the information receiving so far, do not forget to subscribe to our channel, to like our videos, and turn on the notification bell so that you receive all new contents from our channel. Thank you.
If you follow each and every step shown in this video, you can see there are literally pages upon pages of payment proofs from people all over the world that are using this method to make money online by simply listening to music. Now, when you open Mixkit for the first time, this is how it will look like. And what you want to do is to click where it says music, because we want to earn money by listening to music today. Now you can scroll down here and you can see all these music tracks that we are going to be using to make money. On this website, all these audio clips are free and we can use them with no attribution or even without signing up to their website. There are literally hundreds and thousands of songs on this website. Now when you will hover your mouse over genre right here, it will show you the different music genres that are available on Mixkit. We can make money with any of these genres, but I want to show you something even more special. So go ahead and open either the acoustic genre or the hip-hop genre category, and you will find this collection of free acoustic tracks that you can download for absolutely free. And on this hip-hop genre page, you can find hundreds of free downloadable hip-hop tracks that you can listen to and make money online. Okay, so let us go on to the song right here and click the play button to start listening to it. You can listen to the whole song if you want to, but that is completely optional because there are thousands of songs we have to listen to. So, you can just skip through the song and make sure the song you are choosing to listen is a good one. Now I want you to find the download icon and click on it so that you can download the song onto your computer device. After the download is finished, in order to make the most money with this method, do the same thing with all these other tracks available here and download them to your computer. And in a moment, I am going to show you how we are going to be making money with all these downloaded music tracks. So the next step is, you only need to go to this website that we are going to use to actually make money with. I will reveal the name of this website in a minute, but as you can see, this site has different payment methods available. So, if PayPal doesn't work in your country, you can still earn money with this website and withdraw it through Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies available here. I want you to pay attention with me here so you can do this correctly. You can see that I have already earned over $300 myself using this completely free method, so just follow what I do. And you can also earn money like this. So basically, what this website does is that it will pay us money to share our music files. And, as it says here, upload, share, and then you make money with this. You can upload images, videos, songs, and so on. And you get paid for it. And in this case here, it's going to be music songs. I already have here the music song ready that I downloaded from mixkit.co. This website is also completely free. You don't have to spend any money on it. Now, once you upload your song to this website, they will give you a link that has your song. And And then all you need to do is get people to download your song and listen to the song from that link. And once they do that, you will get paid $4.50 for each song you share. I will show you exactly how to do this as well as how to get hundreds of people to your link for completely free. You don't need to have big social media following or anything like that. Now if you just click where it says make money, you will find more information about how you will get paid. So as you can see here, if people from tier 1 countries download your music files, you will earn $7. Which means if people from United States, Canada, Brazil, Vietnam, Indonesia, France, Finland, Thailand, and Nigeria download your music files, you will get paid $7. If people from tier 2 countries download your music files, you will earn $6. And tier 2 countries include Germany, United Kingdom, Saudi Arabia, Kuwait, and Greenland. And for downloads from tier 3 countries, you will earn $4, which includes Russian Federation, Ukraine, and Saudi Arabia. And for downloads from tier 4 countries, you will earn $2, which includes all the other countries remaining. And if you scroll down here, you will see all the multiple payment methods this website has, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Payeer, PayPal, Skrill, Payoneer, Western Union, and much more. And the good thing is that the minimum withdrawal is only $1, which is very cool, because you can start withdrawing money in your first day. Now, you can also make more money here by referral, which means inviting more people to the website, but that is completely optional. Now let me show you a real-life example of how to make money with our music track on this website, but you will need to create an account here first. And by the way, the name of this website is 3upload.com. It's very simple, just click where it says sign up, and then fill out your own information here, like a username, an email, and your password again. And then, just check I'm not a robot, and hit submit. And once you log in, just click on upload files, so that I can show you how to upload songs here and make money from it. So, I have already downloaded the song to my computer device, which I downloaded from the mix kit. Now there is different options here when it comes to uploading your files, but that doesn't really matter. And this is the one that we will use to upload our song. So make sure you select this one, and then click this blue box where it says browse files, and select the song you want to upload from your device. And once you do that, click start upload, and as you can see, it starts uploading. It will also depend on how slow or fast your internet connection is. Now, it's finished, and here is the link. All you have to do now is copy this link and send it to people so they can download the song from 3upload.com, and after they download the song, you will get paid. Now the last step is where to get traffic and the people to download songs from our link. And for this, I want you to come over to YouTube and search for sound effects for YouTube videos. You will find that there are many videos having over millions of views per video, like this one over 1 million views, over 5 million views, and close to 10 million views. Now, if you open any of these videos, you will find that they have just shared the different sound effects in these videos, and you can easily find these sound effects on mixkit.co. Like, if you want this cricket sound effect, you just have to simply go over to mixkit.co, and here on this page, from the drop-down menu, you want to select sound effects. Then just type in crickets and hit enter. It will show you not only one, but many different cricket sound effects, and you can choose any of these sound effects you like, or which is more similar to the sound effect in that YouTube video. Now, getting over 1 million views on this topic is pretty easy, because as of 2023, there are more than 114 million YouTube channels out there. 114 million channels, and all of these channels need different sound effects for making their videos more entertaining and more engaging. And creating these sound effect video takes less than a minute. Now imagine getting only 100,000 views on one video. Out of those 100,000 people, 40% of them will end up downloading your files from 3upload.com, because at some point, all YouTubers need these sound effects for their videos. And if you upload only one video per day for a month, you can make over $1,000 just for listening to these music sound effects. All you have to do is come over to YouTube and note down the different sound effects shown in the video. Then go to mixkit.co and search for them in the sound effects segment. Download them, and after that just upload those files to 3upload.com. Then, create the sound effect videos for your YouTube channel and place the link of all different sound effects in the description of your YouTube video. You can use clidio.com for creating your videos online. It's very simple and easy, and whenever someone will download these sound effects or background music from your 3upload account, you will get paid. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.
Okay guys, I hope you learned a lot from this video. Make sure you practice what you've learned from this video. Remember, everything we teach in this video is educational wise. You learn it, you practice step by step, and you gain success. See you guys on our next video, same place, same time.